Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm doing a really cute bumblebee design. This design started out actually with choosing the stamping polish, and I've been really wanting to for a while use the yellow stamping polish that I bought last year and something special where it was sort of like the key feature of the design. And finally inspiration hit me and I realised that it would work really well with the bumblebee stamping plate that I've got from Maniology. So I started out with just trying to work out what colours would work with it, thinking maybe I'll do a light shade, but then I was a bit worried that it would be washed out with the yellow, and so I thought I'd try maybe a black base, so that sort of do the black and the yellow from the bumblebee. So I tried this on a piece of paper first, just to see and check the colour would work. The colour looked really good, but I've had it before where I've done a test and I go to put it on my nail with a stamp and it just doesn't come through because the stamp's really thin. So I actually did a test nail initially, which is why you can see in the video one of my nails was done before the others, just to make sure it definitely would come through and show up, and to my surprise it really worked. So I hit the bottle lemon meringue polish is really really opaque, and so there's no transparency or anything, and the colour came through really well against the black, so I'm really impressed. In terms of the stamping, I just did the maniology plate and the monocle stamper, and then the hit the bottle stamping polish. I just picked a range of images, so I didn't want to have the same image. I wanted to use as many of the images as possible. For one hand, I decided just to do some cute bee and honey images. On the other hand, I went with the kind of puns, so one was oh honey, and the other is it's the bee's knees, which I thought were quite cute. So I just loaded those up. For the two middle fingers, I decided to make those the heaviest ones in terms of stamping, so the image took up the entire nail, and then I lighted it off for the other remaining three fingers, or two fingers and a thumb, with just some little images. Overall, I've used the stamping plate before, and so I knew it was going to work really well. I was really happy with how the images picked up. It wasn't too bad. I think I had one where I had a little bit of issue with the little sort of squiggly lines. Instead of scraping up and down, I definitely recommend scraping from right to left or left to right, whichever, because the scraper actually got caught on the etching of the stamper. So anyway, this is my design. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments what design you would do with a pastel yellow polish. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!